Good morning and evening, everyone, and welcome back. Thank you for coming today. Just wanted to go over a couple of things as far as rollovers in contracts. Coming up to that, today's the 14th, so I ought to think about a week and a half is then we'll start rolling them over into the June contract. That's where the volume will start picking up. Yeah, again, about another week and a half. And, of course, you definitely want to be out any contract prior to last trading date, or you buy whatever you have. That's the way that goes. I just wanted to bring that up. Then a couple other issues on some certain trades I wanted to show that I got in particular. But first, this one here, I think this was yesterday. Yeah, this was yesterday. I took this trade, and because I looked at, I liked it, and even from this point right here to this dot right here is just as long as this. So that's why I took it, because this pre-straight here is just as long as it is from the top of this one to here. So I still considered that the whole pre-straight. But I did have a wiggle in it, and you saw right there's the wiggle. You saw it happen. It started to go up, and it went down again. Here, let me back that up again here. I'm going to back it up here. Let's see. Let's get that. I want to get back to that slide again. Yeah, this one here. I mean, that one right there is probably one that everyone take. I took it, and I thought it was a good one. And again, I did have a sideways move, but I discounted it because of this. I took it from here to here. I still had plenty of space. So I considered it, well, the long move, as you saw from the next frame, that did go to target. I mean, no, it did not go to target. It hit this, came back down, and then reversed. So you'd want to be pulling out right about this level if you were in this trade. I let it play out, came all the way down for a pretty big loss. So I just wanted you to notice that little wiggle is what the cause of this is. Now, when you see these corrections come way down into here where I've seen them come past this point before. Don't take those trades, even though this looks ideal. That's a good setup. This is a very attractive setup, by the way. So this is a good correction right here. You got your 2-bar correction. That's fine. And then it came down, went up, and of course just almost got there. And most savvy traders will be pulling out right around here. They take the money. I wouldn't want to sit and hold it. I want to see what it's going to do, and it did fall down. The reason I did is because of the next trade. And here we got, it looks the same. It's a 10 ticker. This was done last week, just a few days ago. There's your pre-straight. So we do not have a sideways move in this. It kept on dropping down all the way, but we only had a 1-bar correction. Now, I take these in a 10 tick. I mean, it's very important to have 2 bars, but 1 bar, for me, it's okay. It's discretionary, but in a 10 tick, I think it's fine. And so I did take it, and that one did hit. So that was I just wanted to show you the difference between those two. That wiggle, that one wiggle in the pre-straight made all the difference in that last trade. Whereas this one, the pre-straight came down straight. It corrected for 1 bar and then dropped down. And then we did have a little sideways move in here in a 2-minute time frame. Of course, I wouldn't take this, but again, we're looking at a 10 tick, so I took it. And then over here, here's another one. This is just opposite. Okay, we have a 1-bar correction. Should be at least minimum 2 to 3 bars on your correction. So you could take the pre-straight from here, well, actually from there, but you see it came out of a sideways move. All right, there's the end of it. So there's the beginning of when it started to move up. It's actually just hit the top, so we're still sideways right there. This is where she actually started right here, but I marked it from here. So I started from here, I have a 1-bar correction, and then I went down, and then, of course, up and then down. And there's your entry. Was not placed yet. As you see, there's the bottom right there, so the entry didn't get made yet. I was premature on this one. And, again, I had 1 bar here. When I saw the overall pattern of the trade, which I can't show you here, I liked it, and I took it. And it was quite a long trade. We started at 12:07, and it ended at 12. Well, I don't know what happened there. I had to take this. The Trading Journal did not pick up the end of this. I had to go in there and take the shot right out of ET. So this is where it ended. But you can see it went on for a while, and I dropped the target. So this is what it looks. So you can see the pre-straight, just a huge pre-straight. Well, I just, I've been saying this all along that the bigger the pre-straight, the better the trade. Again, as long as this doesn't go up all the way up to here and then drop down and then back up, then down, I won't take those. So if this goes up more than 50% of the move up on the left straight, I won't take it.